How to fix VPN not working in Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix VPN not working. The first thing you want to do is click on the search menu and type control panel. Now click on this. Once it opens, you want to click on the category option and select large icons. Now over here, you want to select network and sharing center. Now underneath the internet type, you want to click on Ethernet. Once you have selected it, go ahead and click on the properties option. Now you will find the Internet Protocol version 6 option. Go ahead and uncheck that box. Once it has been unchecked, select OK. Once you have done that, close out of here and restart your device. After that, your issue will be fixed. However, if it is still not fixed, you want to click on the search menu and then search for settings. Once you have opened settings, click on network and internet. Now over here, scroll down and find the network reset option. Here it says this will remove, then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So go ahead and click on the restart now option. After that, you will have to restart your PC. Then you simply want to install your VPN and check if the problem has been fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.